Welcome back. In this week's edition of the Business Review, we look at a small game shop operator and how he acquired financial freedom by manufacturing gaming boxes and opening game shops across the island. Cody and Barrett visited a few of these establishments and filed this report.
What used to be a typical day of hustling to make ends meet for Wayne Henry is now a typical day of owning and operating a multi-million-dollar business, Wayne's Gaming. It was a long journey to this point. As a young boy, he struggled to make money to sustain himself, from selling the Star newspaper to pushing handcarts. He never thought he would get to a place where he could not only take care of himself, but also others. He grew up in Chapelton, Clarendon, where he ran into some trouble with community members and had to flee in fear of his life, leading him to Spanish Town, St. Catherine. But he had no money and no relatives in the parish. All he had were the clothes on his back. Knowing no one, he relied on the kindness of strangers, until one day an opportunity as a cook evolved into the beginning of a greater opportunity.
I learned to make gaming machine a janty. And I learn and I go through and I janty treat me good. So I done cooking. I done work for days and you have to look at poker box and go throw down. So I start boom bam till I start to wire night and I start going night and till me see it at work. And I start till I fix one again and I fix two and I fix three.
With old game boxes laying around, coupled with his experience in electrical work, he decided to make game boxes and sell to operators in the gaming industry. First, he had to become legal, and at the time, he didn't have enough money to even register one of the boxes. But he got some help.
I get the first license. I don't have the money, but it's alright, give me a license, 33, I 200,000 for your life and I can't find the first dollar. But it's alright now. Make up a payment plan for me. $33,333, 33, pay 3. Maybe every month for 6 months.
And so he did, and when he got the first manufacturing license, things were all set. While selling the boxes, he encountered some challenges, from physical assaults to theft, but he was not daunted, and by 2018, he opened his first game shop, and for the next 3 years, he opened another every year.
Well, when I opened this business, it bloom. From me open the shop, it just bloom. Because, as I said, the machine them come, and it come with a bang. These machines never come and suffer. Finally come, then come. As them come, then just come off the ground.
The machines he's referring to are these game boxes known as Russian roulette. All the gaming machines in his establishments were handmade by him, and although the pandemic slowed down his business, he's still raking in over $2 million per year. Currently, he's waiting on approval from Supreme Ventures to renew his manufacturing license to continue the sale of game boxes. This is just one of the 5 gaming shops owned by Mr. Henry. Currently, he has plans to change the look of the boxes to improve the experience of gamers. Reporting from Old Harbour, St. Catherine, I'm Cody Barrett for TVJ News.